Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Nacho Dad. Today I'm out here working on this little 10 horsepower engine that we're going to put in the Yerf Dog go-kart. It's been sitting in storage for about 2 years. We haven't really messed with it, so I pulled it out today and we're going to do an old start, cold start. I guess first thing I should do, I should probably check the oil. Make sure it's got oil. Oh yeah. Alright, we got oil. Got my little tank put up on it so I can put some fuel in it. And we got a little bit of fuel. So we're going to try to crank it up. It got down to like 23 degrees last night, which isn't that cold, but this thing has been sitting for about, at least a year, if not 2 years, without being used. So I want to try to crank it up, see if I can catch it on camera. I've got the fuel all the way on, so this thing's going to crank up. It's going to go wide open. I'm just going to set the compression release. Then I've got the wire for the starter. That's it. It runs. So, alright. I just want to do an old start, cold start. Pull me a zip ties and bias plies. Chooch it.